Well, it hasn't been on the road since 2011. It's ran a few times, been rode around. Mirrors are going on my dad's 38 now, so I'll use the mirrors off his truck. Still gotta figure out what to do with the brakes. Here's the carbs. Just gonna pull the bowls, make sure no junk's in them. Working on the carbs on the XS, just cleaning. This one was a little more stuck. Definitely got some fluid still in it. This one I replaced the float bowl, it was leaking. A lot of sediment, green stuff on this side. This one was nice and clean. Even in here, it's worse. What I think was going on is the pepcock off the Harley tank was leaking, and it was putting fuel constantly into it, and I think it's just sitting over the years. Looks good in here. Gasket wasn't too stuck. Show you on the next one, see if it stuck at all. Carbs are back together, other than the support bracket. Need to come up with a better way for my fuel line. Mess with that here. Everything looks a lot cleaner.